Welcome to the BitNinja Chronicles, where server security meets simplicity. Today we are thrilled to share the incredible journey of BitNinja's integration with Enhance, which has been nothing short of spectacular.
Who knew integrating could be this smooth, and the feedback is
enhancing.
And guess what? Our users are over the moon with our seamless setup and
Out of this world pricing.
at just 10 cents per domain, we are not just securing servers, we are offering
Huge savings.
installation is a breeze. With just a simple copy-paste, you'll be shielded from the dark forces of the web.
Dark forces.
Manage your security from a dashboard so simple, even your grandma could do it.
Love you, Granny.
And with countless features, from malware shields to firewalls, we are not just a security tool,
We are a toolbox.
Join the security revolution with BitNinja and Enhance. Try it free for 7 days and tell us how much you love being attack-free.
Be free.